The special thing about the N brand for me is the excitement and the thrill that I get each time when I get into the vehicle. It doesn't have to be on the racetrack. Also during the day, during my daily life, just picking up the kids from the school, for example. My name is Aşkın Kahraman and I'm the product manager of all-new i20N at Hyundai Motor Europe. The all-new i20N is a powerful hot hatch based on the all-new i20 and inspired by our motorsport involvement. It takes lots of technologies and inspirations to make it a real fun-to-drive car. Like the i30N, the all-new i20N is also developed with 3 development pillars. These are corner rascal, racetrack capability, and everyday sports car. i20N is also equipped with a lot of performance features. The first one that I can tell you is the N corner carving differential, a limited slip differential which optimizes the traction and allows the driver to drive much more sporty and agile, making the i20 a true corner rascal. Other motorsport-inspired features that we included in the i20N are electric sound generator, left foot braking calibration, brake pad veer indicator, and dedicated 18-inch Pirelli tires. The i20N is equipped with a turbocharged 1.6-liter flat power engine. This is the first time we introduce this engine into a European model. This power unit generates 204 PS and 275 Nm of torque. The all-new i20N weighs only 1,190 kilos, which means the car has the best power-to-weight ratio in its segment. The car can accelerate from 0 to 100 within 6.2 seconds, and the top speed is 230 km per hour. The all-new i20N is equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission. Compared to the base car, this transmission is enhanced in order to cope with the high torque and RPM. We reinforced the transmission and also the clutch. We added carbon friction material between first and second gear. We redesigned the synchro stopper from third to sixth gear. And we also reduced the housing for reduced oil quantity. The all-new i20N is equipped with launch control for quick acceleration, and green control system enables the driver to select between 5 different modes. These modes are Eco, Normal, Sport, Custom, and N. The driver can customize engine sound, engine response, steering response, electronic stability control, and rev matching. Like the i30N, i20N is also equipped with a rev matching for sporty and smooth shifting. For fun and engaging sound experience, i20N offers exhaust afterburn sound and variable muffler control. The dedicated front seats ensures that the driver and the passenger are safe and comfortable at all times. The i20N is inspired by our WRC rallying heritage with uncompromising and powerful design. It also follows our new design identity, sensuous sportiness. Compared to the base model, the all-new i20N features aerodynamic form and dynamic design thanks to 10 mm lowered ground clearance. The front design of the i20N is dominated by the checkered flag design grille with N logo and large air intake for the turbo engine. The WRC-inspired rear spoiler enhances the downforce and ensures stability even at higher speeds. Other design highlights include full LED headlamps and darkened LED rear lights. The interior also has an optimized and high-performance look thanks to the performance blue accents and dedicated steering wheel and gear knob. The interior also features sport seats with integrated headrest. These are unique to all-new i20N, which means they are not carried over from another N model. We also developed a unique user interface for the digital cluster and for the navigation screen. Hyundai N models are not only racetrack capable, but they are also a good companion during daily drive. The i20N is equipped with Hyundai's SmartSense features, such as forward collision avoidance assist, city, pedestrian, and cyclist, intelligent speed limit assist, lane following assist, and blind spot detection warning. The all-new i20N is also equipped with performance driving data system, which monitors and improves the driver's track skills. This feature saves and displays various driving information such as PS, torque, and turbo boost. It also comes with lap and acceleration timer. All these elements make the all-new i20N a sporty, agile, and fun-to-drive car on all conditions and on all roads.